This is how you can delete the voices in the My Voices directory in ElevenLabs. First, navigate to elevenlabs.io on the desktop platform and then click login and log in with your own account. Now after that, you can navigate to the voices menu right here and then go to My Voices. And after that, you'll see the voices that you just added into this directory. Let's say I want to delete this voice that says Zelda. I'm going to click this three-dot icon, click delete voice, and click delete voice again. And now that voice has been deleted from my voices account, and it will actually free up some spaces that I could use to add other voices into my voices directory. And by the way, there are some voices that you can delete, like for example, you can delete some unspecified professional voice, and also you cannot delete the default voices because they're just not possible. They're part of the platform. So that's how you can delete the voices from my voices directory in ElevenLabs text-to-speech. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.